अगर आपके पास मोटरसाइकिल है तो कोई लड़की आपसे शादी नहीं करेगी, मिनिमम 4 व्हीलर चाहिए। अब इंजीनियर है ना सब लोग, हाँ, कोई लड़की आएगा नहीं। बिकॉज सोशल इकोनॉमिक स्टैंडर्ड्स हैव चेंज। जब पहली बार मैंने मारुति कार लिया, मेरी बेबी और बच्चे मोहल्ले में बोलते थे हमारे पास मारुति फ्रंटियर है, और लोग भी बोलते थे श्रीनिवास साहब के पास मारुति फ्रंटियर है। आज वही लोग बोल रहे हैं ये बेचारे के पास मारुति है। because social economic standards of recognition has changed totally, and we are going after that. Wonder kitchen, one BHK was, ultimate aim for us. Now, 70 lakhs rupees, In Nasik also, I thought it is only in Bombay. 40 lakhs rupees, 50 lakhs rupees house you require. How are you going to earn it? So it is a stress that is creating. And we are eating because we want to work. Day and night people are working here. I have seen people coming from the office 9 o'clock. Before 9 o'clock they are not able to reach it. But then what are we doing for releasing the stress for physical person? Take out half an hour. Many times we give reason हमारे पास में जिम नहीं है, हमारे घर में जगह नहीं है, कुछ करने का नहीं है। 35 minutes के लिए वॉक करो स्ट्रेट रोड के ऊपर। That is called a brisk walk. What is the definition of the brisk walk is that if you walk for 1 kilometer, it should be within 10 to 11 minutes. So 3 to 4 kilometers if you do the walk, it releases a lot of stress. It releases a stress. And you should have a control on your food. What type of a food we are. I am not that outdated a person. I am not telling you should not take a junk food. But the thing is that how much you are taking, how often you are going. Are you conscious about your weight? Those who are above 40, they should go regularly medical checkup for that. Once in a year. That is what is required on a physical side. What about our mental? What is the food we are giving to our mental system? What gives the release of your stress? Good music, entertainment, plus the maximum release you get it is that what is your reading habit? What are our reading habits? So, reading, what are the things we read? Newspaper. Do we read the newspaper? Headlines. Correct. That doesn't give religious stress. See, more we are interesting, in the news, like, पंचवडीतली पोरगी ड्रायव्हर बरोबर पळाली. मन लावून वाच. उर्वरित भाग पेज नंबर 5 वरती ते शोधा. त्याच्याने रिलीज होत नसतं. Are we reading editorials? You get an opportunity to enter in the mind of the intellectual people, how they are thinking. Then are we reading biographies of somebody? This is about this. Second thing is that if I am a mechanical engineer, if I am a chemical engineer, I am a HR manager, I am a finance manager, I am reading a new development. I am not telling you that be in the library and read every day one magazine. No, महिन्यातला 2 मॅगझिन. इतकं सोपं झालेलं आहे. हल्ली 200 रुपये 300 रुपये भरलेल्या 2 मॅगझिन तुम्हाला घर पोहोचेतात, वरून बॅग पण फ्री देतात. At least I am reading 2 magazines in a month. What is talking about mechanical development? If I am in a computer science, if I am in the account department, if I am working into stores, what are the new developments? So that also gives you, because after college, leaving college, slowly, our all books vanishes. Well, what is the journey of our book? नवीन कॉलेजमधून पास झाल्यानंतर हॉलमध्ये बसतो. एक मुलगा किंवा एक लेकरू झाल्यानंतर ते माळ्यावर जातात. 2 वर्षानंतर बायकोला विचारलं काय हे पुस्तक तिथं रचित केव्हा. That is the journey of our books. Basically, what is my qualification? I am reading that. So go read some good books. That also reduces the stress. The third one is the spirituality. I was wondering why this American man is talking about the spirituality. Yes. But the only precondition is that unconditionally भक्ती करतोय का देवाची आपण? करतोय का? नाही. आपण मंदिरात केव्हा जातो? हा? हा? हे सगळे मागची पोरं फार रेग्युलरली जातात. सेमिस्टर टू सेमिस्टर. आणि प्रत्येक गोष्टीचा रेट ठरलेला असतो. हा, राहिलेले मॅथ निघू दे 1 किलो पेढा. तेव्हा बाजारचा भाजीपाला नाही. तुकडे महाराजांनी सांगितले. मग भक्ती कशी करायला पाहिजे? देवाची आहे द्वारी उभा क्षण भरी तेने मुक्तीचारी साधी येली. हरे मुखे म्हणा, हरे मुखे म्हणा, पुण्याची गणना. भगवान के दरबार में एक क्षण के लिए खड़ा हो जाओ, लेकिन वो निस्वार्थ बुद्धि से आप खड़े हो. That is called spiritual. With the intention, with the motive, and this, it is. So fourth aspect is social, emotional. You see, that also releases the stress and gives an immense satisfaction in your body. How many times I am helping others? So you don't have to do a special this one. When you are working around, how many times I have asked my colleague, do you need any help? The neighbors are there. How many times I have gone to India? And doing help also without any motive. Because motive is very, very important. If your motive is that to get something out of that, that is not called a service. Why? Motive is very, very important. See, one place I was one day, I went from one place. It was in the month of May. I saw 10, 15 beautiful ladies, very nicely dressed, was standing around 3 o'clock near one property. I said, why? What these beautiful ladies are doing here? And well, after I came, after 45 minutes, still the ladies were standing there. I, out of curiosity, I asked, झोपड़पट्टी के बाजू में इतने औरतों के खड़ा में गाड़ी रोका और पूछा क्या है भाई इधर क्यों लोग रुकते हैं? बोले इधर गरीब लोगों को बाइसिकल बांट रहे हैं. तो बोले इतना धूप में खड़े क्यों हैं ये लोग? नहीं, वो टीवी वाले आए नहीं. तो गरीबाची सेवा टीवी साठी करायची. So when you are giving a service to others, when you are helping to somebody, if our motive is that I should get in return something, that is not really satisfactory. So gentlemen, I thought these are the things I will share with you. Not that bringing a PowerPoint presentation and telling you what is the stress, classification of stress, causes of stress. And I thought I will go to the deep cause of stress. And this is the thing, if you implement in your life, I hope I have explained you that you will be able to reduce the stress, particularly महिलाएं. आप खुद का भी स्ट्रेस कम करो. और दूसरे के लिए मत करो. Okay? एंड इसके पहले एक कहानी बताता हूँ. एक कंपनी में मुझे बुलाया था लेक्चर देने के लिए. तो 2-4 ऐसे पहलवान लोग आके 4-5 बार गए. मैंने बोला कौन है कोई पहलवान लोग? बोले हमारे यहाँ की यूनियन वाले. मैं पर्सनल मैनेजर डरेगा भाई यूनियन वाले थे. तो मैंने पूछा भाई कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या आपको? बोले श्रीनिवास साहब आप हमारे मेहमान हैं, आप अपना लेक्चर जारी करो, हम उसको ढूंढ रहे हैं जिसने आपको यहाँ बुलाया. आपके सूचना के लिए पाटिल साहब ने मुझे
Hello. Thank you, sir, for enlightening us on how to live a stress-free life. It was indeed an informative and entertaining session. Before we proceed further, I would like to welcome Mr. Bhatt, Principal, Bhujbal Knowledge City, and Mr. Amit Roy, Head of the Mechanical Department, to today's session. Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. You have listened to a wonderful lecture on the stress management and the solution for the stress. First of all, thanks all the management team of the Sandeep Foundation, and a warm thanks to our today's guest speaker, Mr. Govind Srinivar. I also thanks my friend and Prashant Patil to do such a nice and wonderful program here. I thank Dr. S.T. Gant, Dr. A.M. Chincholikar, Dr. G.N. Chaudhary, Engineer Bhatt sir, Engineer Amit Roy, and all the staff members of the Sandeep Foundation's Program Coordinator, Mr. Shukla, Program Anchorer, Mrs. Man, and all engineer friends, staff member of the Sandeep Foundation, and the students, because of which we are never looking that how we should be आनंदी. आनंद मिळण्यासाठी आपण काहीच करत नाही, ते आपण केले पाहिजे. We have to do some aims. We should aim the goals in our life and should take actions for that. We should reduce the blaming structure of the life. I once again thank all of you. Thank you.
And up for national anthem.